ladies and gentlemen. So, how are we today? I hope we're wonderful. On the screen, you see my document camera. I'm reading to you today. I. Sight word I. Not I see with my eyes, but I. So I look at the cover and I see, oh, this story is about a boy and his dog. Oh, so he might be telling us all the things he does with I sentences. So we're going to practice some of our reading skills now. Even though you're not big readers, you know a word. So let's try this. I by Wiley Blevins. Illustrated by T.S. Spookytooth. What a crazy name. I hope I don't mean to sound disrespectful. All right. Oops, it's not in frame for you. I run. So you notice I see a word, I say a word. I don't continue reading after the words are finished. It's not, I run in the park with my friends. It's two words. I run. I run. And we turn our page. Now I don't start over here. I start on the next page, page 4. I read. What's that? What does that say? I read. Now you notice these words that we don't know yet have a picture above them, so you can start to figure out what they say, but we don't expect that you know it. If there's a picture there, it's the word that you might need a hint for, or you might need someone else to read you, okay? So the other words are the words you know. How about you try this? Did you say, I eat? I hope so. I eat. Coming to the end of our book. Try it. You might be tempted to say, I nap, but those of you who know some of your letter sounds already, look at the beginning of that word. S. So it couldn't be I, nap. Any ideas what that could be? I sleep. Okay, so I'm going to go back and I'm going to put the book up again, but I'm not going to read it. I want you to try to read it as you see the pages. You read what I point at. I apologize if it's blurry or, there's glare. Good job.